Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is one of the interesting interview questions that what is the difference between delete and truncate. So the delete is an example of DML, that is data manipulation language command, and truncate is a type of DDL, that is data definition language command. It can be used to delete a single or multiple records at once from a table. While in truncate, the truncate command does not use any where clause condition, hence we can delete all records in one go. In the other side, delete if there is an identity column, the table identity is not reset to the value it had when the table was created. Where truncate, it returns the table identity to the value it was given as received. We will see an example in just a bit. So the last point is delete command is slower than truncate and truncate is faster than delete. Let's see how we can prove it in SQL Server. Let's open SQL Server, select the database and click on new query. I have created one table that is users and we are going to do the manipulation on it. Let's execute it first. We can see that we have 3 rows here. So in the first column I have added identity column. Let's see how we can add that. So here it is integer type and there is a property identity specification. If you open it, here we need to initially it is set to no. We need to set it, just double click on it and it will set to yes. So that means this is an identity column. Whenever we are inserting the record into the table, it will have user ID automatic. Let's try inserting the record first and then we'll try delete and truncate. Insert into users and then values. I have another video on insert record into the table. I will give that link in my description box. Please visit to understand the record in insert command. So let's put it from and then ram@gmail.com and then the last is, let's say it is belonging to New Delhi. Just insert into this table. We can see that one row affected and just select this query. We have not passed any user ID here in the column, but it is inserting as we have this user ID as identity column, and that is incremented by 1. Let's do it with delete first and then we will see the truncate. Delete and then from table name users. As we mentioned here, we can use the condition, see the single row or multiple rows in one go. So here we are deleting single row first. Let's try user ID equal to 1. If we try, just select the query and then execute the query, you can see that one row affected. Let's select star from users and then see, yes, one row deleted from this table. So here we can mention whatever the user ID, or we want to delete the record in one go, we can delete it. Let's delete it and then we will come back on insert the record again. Let's just copy paste it so that we will have the data ready, and here just copy the name and then let's remove it. We don't need any more record here. Just copy paste here and then specify this, just auto hide, and then we will see method You can put any data, so but I just wanted to copy paste here to just showcase the data. Okay, so this is ready. Now we can use delete, and then if you use this delete from table name, it will delete all the records. Let's select it and then see how many records we have. So there is no data and it is deleted all the records. Let's try inserting the record first. Just select the query, insert a statement and execute the query. You can see that query inserted the record, and then see here what happened in delete. It is started from 5th, 6th, 7 as we have 4 record earlier. So the index was not reset, as here it is mentioned that identity column, it will not reset. Okay, so let's try truncate here. As we cannot use any condition in the truncate from table name, and just select this query. See what is happening here. Truncate table and then table name. So this is the syntax. Just execute it and you can see that the command executed successfully. Let's select the query and see we do not have any record. Let's insert the record first and then we'll come back on select the statement, insert it. Now the data is inserted, and then we will choose this select star from users. So we can see that it is started from 1, 2, 3. So truncate will start or reset that value from there, from the starting point. But in the case of delete, it will start inserting the record after last identity. So this is what the difference between delete and truncate. And the last point is saying delete is slower than truncate, because the reason is it is keeping the logs here, and we are using where clause, which is making slower of the application, because we are searching the record first and then we are deleting. But here it is deleting the record as well as the it will delete the record as well as the logs. So this is the difference between delete and truncate. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.